let's go through euros quickly. Euro US dollar, we've talked about this, looking to sell this all the way down to here, if not lower. And again, this is a daily time frame, and if it is going to be a buy, it's going to have to go through this to continue to buy. Euro CAD, again, discuss this in the CAD group. I'm not really interested in this. It could just range around, get messy. Euro Swiss franc, so high up in the sky, right? It just continued to buy in January and then all the way up to March, just buying and buying and buying. It's gone through this area, but should be an interesting area to watch. It could start to turn, but at the moment I'm not really interested because euro looks like on the other currency pairs looks like it's going to get weaker. So, but Swiss franc is also kind of weak maybe, so we'll see. But this could also get messy, so not really interested in this. Euro yen. So as I talked about how I'm interested in buying yens because of this move, the price has made its way all the way up to there. It's a very, very interesting price, and this seller is going to want to attempt to sell. And if you come all the way to hereabouts, you'll be able to see that on the daily chart, the price held here, the buyer bought all the way up to there. Someone would have bought in here that got, again, wrong-footed miserably. Now this seller is in control, so the price could test hereabouts, continue to go. Just we'll have to wait and watch. But looks like euro is going to get weaker on this too. Euro New Zealand, again, not really interested in because New Zealand dollar is also weak, but looks like there's going to be sells if we break through this. Looks like there's going to be sells into hereabouts, so maybe weaker euro. Euro Aussie too, not really interested, but you know, this is a buyer at the moment, so if you break through this, then sells. Otherwise, not really interested at the moment. And euro pound, never interested, just like euro Aussie. I mean, if there's a very clean move that I could get in on, I would, but generally I don't give a lot of time to this currency pair. Yens, let's just quickly take you through yens. Okay, so if I take you to the daily, I'm really interested in buying yens because of the euro yen we just discussed, right? This area, and now sellers taken over. First sign. This is basically the first sign, so I'm hoping it takes its sweet ass time. I just hope it does. Then CAD yen, again, talked about it multiple times. Let's just talked about it multiple times. I'm looking for sells CAD yen longer term. Swiss franc yen. Yeah, so here's the thing about Swiss franc yen, right? It's this buyer, but you're in a range where seller is um, taking control. So it could just, roam around, eventually break through, but not really interested. Why? Safe haven against the safe haven, just like dollar Swiss franc and dollar yen. So Aussie yen, take a look at this. Aussie yen, the sell that started from all the way up to there, all the way down to here. The price tries to go, cannot go. Buyers introduced into the markets, and then boom, big seller after all this days of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days of hard work consumed in just what 4 days, right? So looking for sells into probably hereabouts. Let's see, 240. Yeah, it is in an area of to where it can just continue to go. Let's just hope we do get in on the bandwagon. Targets are all the way down to here, if not lower. Yeah, all the way down to here, if not lower. Anyway, I guess pretty much about it. Yeah, We have dollar yen after that, and also sorry, pound yen. Pound looks to be a little stronger than other currencies at the moment. The recent territory is that of a buyer on pound yen, but that is 240 is a seller, so it could just range around to eventually break through. Well, take its lot of time, but uh, the recent move coming up on pound yen is also of a sell. So dollar yen, not really interested in. New Zealand dollar yen too. So look at this, right? We had this move up, and if you take a look on 240, that's a lot of time to go all the way up to there, and then boom. So it's also setting up for a sell. That is why I'm interested in yen. But um, what we just figured out after going through 35-40 minutes of charting is that dollar looks like it's going to pick up a lot of pace next week. Uh, and CAD looks like it's gonna get weak. Euro too. So basically, I'll be really interested in buying dollars, but we'll see how the price action unfolds as the week unfolds. Pretty much about it. Stay tuned for more. If you're liking the videos, I would you know not to just for the sake of it, but just for me to know that the effort that I'm putting in is helping someone out there. Subscribe, leave a comment, and stuff like that. Whatever. All right, cheers, guys.